Hey YouTube, I hope you guys are doing well out there. Today we will review USB-C capabilities of iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. First, let's try iPad mini since it has a bigger battery than iPhone. Let me connect iPad and it's charging as you can see. Next up, we'll try a USB-C flash drive for ProRes videos. Once we plug in a USB-C drive, it shows USB-C drive. That means it will be able to record ProRes videos. I made a separate video on how to enable ProRes videos and record to external hard drive or flash drive. I'll put a link in the description. Let's try charging iPhone using USB-C to Lightning cable, and it's charging my iPhone 8 as you can see. Let's try regular size iPad, the 10-inch iPad, and it's charging larger battery iPad as well. Next will be AirPods. I think this is more practical and popular use of this charging feature than charging anything else using iPhone. There, it's charging AirPods as well. Next in line is MagSafe charging cable. Now this is a genuine Apple MagSafe charging cable. First, we're gonna try AirPods. Nope, it's not charging AirPods. Now let's try iPhone. I'm going to use iPhone 8 for wireless charging, and it looks like it's not charging iPhone. So MagSafe is not working. Now, just to be sure, let's test out this MagSafe cable by connecting it to actual power source and see if the cable is okay. And there, it's charging. So cable is good. Now let me connect this cable to iPhone 8 to be sure. And yes, it is charging iPhone 8 as well when connected to power source. But when you connect MagSafe to iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max, it doesn't charge any devices. I'm thinking it's due to output voltage. If you guys know why is that, let me know in the comments and I'll pin the comment. Let's try and charge Nintendo Switch. And it's working. Drone charging works as well. Action camera, it gives the message, but it's still being charged. Next in line is Apple Watch. I'm sure it will charge. And yes, it's charging. Next one is USB-C to USB-A adapter for older accessories or cables with a USB-A type connection. There it is, it's charging. Next one is a USB-C SD card reader. This one is from Anchor and they did not sponsor this video, but we'll do a little unboxing as well. And it comes with a manual, card reader itself, and that's about it. First thing we're going to check to see if the card reader works as a flash drive or external hard drive to record a ProRes videos. So there it is, it's plugged in. And open the camera. Let me reattach the SD card. And it's not working. Not working as a flash drive. Now I don't see no USB-C sign, so alright. Now we're gonna try to see if it can actually read the SD card, which is it's supposed to do. So I'll click on there you go, it recognizes the SD card. And I'm gonna play a 4K video. Let's see. This is the, okay, there you go. I recorded this drone shot, so it won't have no sound, but as you can see, the playback is really smooth. Yeah, it works really nice and smooth. Now let's check the older SD card with USB-A. Now I'm pretty sure let's try and okay, so the card is working. Now let's check if I'm not gonna try the camera, because if the USB-C port didn't work, then it's not gonna record ProRes videos. We're just gonna make sure that the adapter is hooked up, and then I'm gonna plug in the USB-C connection, and okay, there it is. The card is there. We'll try to play the same file again and see if it'll wait, where did it go? I think it was up there. So I mean, so as you can see, there's no lag as far as the reading files are, like just the files are concerned. Now let me play the old video again. Oh, there it is. It's slowing down. It's slowing down. It's generating thumbnails. Alright, so this is like a USB 3.1, USB-A type at 3.1. Let's play the video. No, it's not as smooth. It's playing, but it's not as smooth. Yeah, it's just choppy video. So the connection does work. I mean, the adapter works, but the card reader is extremely slow. Let's try USB-C dock. Video is so as you can see, the dock symbol is there. This is the same dock. I use it on my MacBook, the USB-C type MacBook Pro, and then now let's try to see if the video playback is smooth, just like a USB-C card reader. It is very smooth. I can see the cars moving at the regular speed. There's no lag. There's no lag whatsoever. Alright, let's plug in the flash drive and then see if okay, so this one works for the video recording, for the ProRes videos. So yeah, it shows USB-C connection. So it can be used to record a ProRes video. SD card doesn't work, but the flash drive definitely works. I'm gonna connect it to HDMI cable, so I've connected HDMI, and we're gonna try to see if it mirrors the phone. There's a video output, and there it is. I'm gonna play a video, and it is really smooth. That's my video on USB-C, how to enable ProRes videos. That's the video for it. As you can see, it works very smooth. So yeah, so that's it, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm editing one more video based on iPhone generations, comparing the different cameras of different generations. It takes time. I'm the only one who's making the video. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.